Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. It's cold outside here in Chicago, so you know what that means. It's casserole time.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
I want to show you how to take some chicken, some soup, and make my caramelized onion chicken casserole. Come on. What you're going to need are some noodles, 2 onions, some olive oil, cream of chicken soup, cream of mushroom, some green beans, seasoning of your choice, salt-free of course, onion powder, oregano, and of course, 3 to 4 large chicken breasts. I've got some water boiling over here for our elbow macaroni noodles. We're going to pour in about a cup to a cup and a half. Oh, why not? Do 2 cups. You can always use the noodles later. I've also put some of the chicken fat from the chicken in here to flavor the noodles and put a little oil in the water so the noodles don't stick together. Let's chop up our onions. Let's put some olive oil in the pan. Let's now put in our onions and caramelize them a bit. While the onions are caramelizing, let's cube up and trim our chicken. Now that our onions have caramelized a bit, let's add our chicken. Some salt-free garlic seasoning. Onion powder. Oregano. Now our chicken is done. Our noodles are done as well. Let's combine them and make our casserole. Mix together thoroughly. Add Parmesan cheese over top for a bit of crunch. Bake in the oven at 380 degrees for 30 minutes or until golden brown. My. Look at that. Nieces and nephews, I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making it, and as much as I enjoy jumping into this casserole. Ooh, it's hot. Hold on. You're not going to see me burn my mouth. Oh, yeah. This is good. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like the ASMR stuff. I'll do some more if you like it. And, tune in tomorrow. Guess what day it is? Food Pantry Day. I love you all. Help support the channel. Come on, subscribe. Are you watching this? You haven't subscribed? Come on, we're going to have fun. Oh, it's the winter months. We're about to jam. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.